1122 to connect.
Orlando 4. 111, 110.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Come on in. Oh money, that hurry lets me enter. Ain't you going to the leader man, ragameter man? Oh money, let me take you to Alexander's grandstand rag band. Ain't you coming along? Come on here, Alexander's ragtime band. Come on here, it's the best band in the land. Take a slap bugle like you never heard before. That's natural that you wanna go to war. That's just the bestest band on his harmony line. Come on along, let me take you by the hand up to the man, who's the leader of the band. If you wanna hear that swanny music play ragtime, come on here, Alexander's ragtime band. Come on here, Alexander's ragtime band. Alexander's ragtime band. Come on here, it's the best band in the land. Take a slap bugle like you never heard before. That's natural that you wanna go to war. That's just the best band, one hell of a new land. Come on along, let me take you by the hand. Up to the man, who's the leader of the band. Come on along, cause it's Alexander's ragtime band. Come on along, get around, cause it's Alexander's ragtime band. When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, oh, when you're laughing, the sun comes shining. But when you're crying, you bring on that rain, so stop that crying. Be happy again, keep on smiling, 'cause when you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you.
Show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I wanna go to bed. I had a little drink about an hour ago, and it's gone right to my head. No matter where I roam, on the land or the sea or the foam, you'll always hear me sing a song. Show me the way to go home. Show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I want to go to bed. I had a little drink about an hour ago, and it's gone right to my head. No matter where I roam, land, sea or home, you'll always hear me singing this song. Show me the way to go home.
Hey, come on, you fool. Go away. Kind of guy is that, right?
Sergeant?
Hey, what fool is that, eh? Come on, we're in business now, right? Crazy guy. What's up, Aggie?
The girls and I would like to have a day off, sir.
You want a day off?
Oh, yes, sir.
What's the reason for a day off?
Shopping!
In the Rudesheim? You don't need a day off.
He's too old to cut the mustard anymore. He's getting too old, too old. He's too old to cut the mustard anymore. Once I kissed the millionaire, ran my fingers through his hair. The whole thing turned out pretty grim, 'cause none of his hair belonged to him. Too
Down the street? Okay, we can skip that one. I'm just kidding, Johnny. Hey, what are you doing, Shem Tools? We're doing a show here. Oh, crazy people. Our technician up there, his name is Johnny Walker. I'm just kidding, it's not Johnny Walker. Come on, hey, what do you think? He's from Tennessee, he's Jack Daniels. There you go, hey. Come on, Johnny.
Grab your coat and get your hat. Leave your worries on the doorstep. Just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Can't you hear a pitter-pat? And that happy tune is your step. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade. I used to walk in the shade with those blues on the rain. I'm not afraid. This rover crossed over. If I never have a cent, I'll be rich as Rockefeller. Gold dust at my feet on the sunny side of the street.
Okay. Well, ladies, it's almost the end of the show, and before we go home, and before you go home, before we go to bed, and before you go to bed, we want you to remember us. Sie sprechen alle Deutsch, ja? Blödsinn, from English to reden. So, and that's why we're singing one of our last songs. The name of that song is Good Night. And especially for you there, that beautiful lady, yes, you, I will sing Sweetheart. Come on, Johnny.
Good night, sweetheart.